Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off your Ideapad C340 laptop. So to normally switch off your PC, you just have to press this start button and then click at the power options and select shutdown and just wait for your PC to turn off. It can be the shutdown or update and shutdown if Windows has prepared an update for you before you shut down your PC. But if you can't wait, or if you just if your laptop has freezed or something else interrupts your ability to shut down your PC the normal way, you can always perform a forced restart option by pressing and holding this power button right here for a couple of seconds. So let's do it together. Let me do it with that to show you how it works. And as you can see, let me do it one more time. Just press and hold it. Okay, and once our screen has gone dark, we can tell our laptop has shut down. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.